Do girls love money?
That's a rhetorical question. Yes, females love money. Why not?
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violate to get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right, sir.
You don't see a king, don't it? Yeah. So today, we have a epic video for you guys. I don't know so from where we are come with the bang of them. I want to start bang on. So here we go on. Just make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and click all, guys. And I want you to like while watching, guys, because the video them epic. Don't watch the video and not like it, and don't drop the comment. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, and if you're new, subscribe. Share out the video them, guys. Pink wall, anyone who wants to send it. To a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and a friend. Yeah, get it all over the world, guys. Ukraine, all what do you call this? Antarctica, when nobody no live on the ice. Yeah, all this too. Yeah, alright, we're going right now. So today, it's all about asking girls questions guys are afraid to ask. And feel what I say, so I can ask Ali some question where girl, a man afraid to ask woman. And I feel me? So, but that's how I get right tonight. But before we get right tonight, I don't know if Ali want to ask you some question. Because guys, what going on with you today? What do I deal with?
Yo. Yes, guys, how are you doing? How is your day? Well, for me, I'm kind of in a dull mood, but I am trying to uplift my spirit. But you know, I just one of them something there. I'm not gonna come pan ears to come hide or play like, yeah. Understand? We're human, we have emotions and stuff, but nevertheless, this video has to go on, so let's get right into it.
Guys, this right now, she talk about dull. I'm gonna give one bulb there for me now. Or if them want me alone do the video, I don't have no problem with that, you know, guys. That's the reality. But now we're going to get right tonight, because we want to look for vibes. So that dull something that now going to work tonight, guys. Anyways, I'm going to ask her the first question. Yeah. And it may come on. May I start it simple. May I just start it simple. Yeah. So, that's something I'm going to go in right now. Ready for the first question?
Go ahead.
Where a male is concerned. Zine? How you prefer it? Long ear or tall ear?
Long ear or tall ear?
Oh, sorry. Long ear or short ear? Or tall ear or short ear?
Guys, you thinking for structure and question them, right?
Don't watch how my structure, just answer it.
Okay. Well, I don't really mind whether you have ear or not. That's fine with me.
Oh, ear or not, it's fine with you. Alright, cool.
And you can answer the questions in the comment section as well.
What do you think about guys that wear extension?
No, me not like that. God give you a natural ear, right? You choose to cut it off if you want as a male. Why you gonna use extensions? Nope, I don't like it.
And it's a cartel you.
Well, each to his own. Me personally, I don't like it.
Alright. You don't like it. But it tends to be trending right now. Every young man wearing that style.
Well, good for them.
Tattoo
as I said.
foot and beard something. That me see the young man them are going with right now. You understand? Them a live right now we up on the platform for talk where we see a go on and experience, guys. So on a don't bash we just talk truth. Alright. So I'm gonna go in night. How do you know when a girl is interested?
Okay. Answer the question in the comment section to guys. How do you know when a girl is interested? Alright then. She ensure that she call or text. If you have that feeling there when you're interested as a female personally, like if you not hear from somebody, like your whole mindset disturbed or you can't function properly. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but for me, when we were starting out, and it was to a point where I was worried for him from the get-go, but I'm a very concerned person. But yeah, I wanted to know what was happening, so that is it for me.
Well, She said she was a very concerned person. You hear the word she used? Was. That's in the past tense. What about now? But I'm not really that what they offer. But I still want to know what about now. I don't like the expression there, guys. I don't like the face expression there. You see, she next me. She give me a neck. So that means there's something wrong there. So don't comment it down below and tell me what you think. If something wrong or something right. Yeah, guys? Comment it. Alright, I'm going to move on to the next question. I'm going to hide the book, because I don't want to start match up the answer from earlier. Is it? I don't know my love right.
Yes, guys. How you do?
Do girls like slim guys, fat guys, or muscular guys?
Well, I can only speak for me, but I'll go with me first and then I'll...
Yeah, go with you first. Come on, know what kind of guys you like.
Okay, guys. Well, for me, I'll just lay it out.
Get to the point. The point.
You gonna allow me to speak? Is he gonna allow me to speak? Anyways, for me, muscular. No, you can have muscle, you know, 6-pack and all, but I don't like when the big muscle in my bulge out. I don't like that. 6-pack and a little, yeah, and muscle, that's enough for me. But
here, I want to listen to good, you know, guys. Continue.
When you're slim, that's fine, but you have to slim and healthy, because we don't want nobody who slim and feeble when breeze blow, yeah, blow away. No, that don't look good. And fat, no, me not. The fat something that I mean agree, because guess what, you see through me little, and you understand, me little, and me no want when, yeah, roller cover me, you can't see Ali, I just you, I don't like that.
Guys.
But in general, still, each to his own, and everybody is beautiful in their own form.
Still, I gotta ask you the question: what type of guy? Well, you gotta tell me about your type of guy, but still,
guys, he ask a question, right? He ask a question: slim, muscular, or fat? I am answering the question.
You answer those questions, but you say you're gonna speak for yourself.
Obviously, me I speak for me, because I can't speak for nobody else. I talk in general, guys, saying each to his own. You see, now me explain, and then him say me not talk. Comment it down below, because this me not understand.
Guys, she say she like guys with 6-pack. Me not have no 6-pack.
Me and you never have that conversation.
Guys, a 1-pack me have 1-pack. She just say 6-pack, and I look at this. That's why we are married now, you know, because I plan for ask this question. Watch her. Come on, feeble, watch her. Can't pants my hand, guys. Me not have a little muscle, because she said she like guys with little muscle.
Guys, if you heard me, you heard what I said. Okay? You might try to fabricate some farmer story, I don't know where you might come with, but that's what it is. And as I said before, everybody is beautiful in their own form. So if you're fat, you're slim, whatever you are, body type, you watch the video here, just know you're beautiful, okay?
Yeah, the reality. God make man in his own image and liking.
Exactly.
Anyways, we'll move on. Do girls love money?
Well, on the guys, that's a very rhetorical question. No, shoe make me talk. You understand?
Me turn fall now.
Guys, tell me if you're not get annoyed, because he might ask me the question them as I'm about to speak. Him a talk, and then him not give me the chance for answer, and then him a go say, oh, you not answer the questions, what more can I do?
I answer the question. Do girls love money?
That's a rhetorical question. Yes, females love money. Why not? But there's an instance to it. You can love money. Yes, that's one. But how you go about getting the money where you love, that's it. Self-independence is very important. So if in that case where do what you have to do for make sure say you're comfortable and money are coming in, that's fine. You feel me? But in a case where you're gonna lean on somebody and for gain, that doesn't make any sense. I don't respect that. So if you lean on somebody, wake up, get up, and go get it for yourself.
Guys, right now a show time. The question them will get more intense and more epic. So right now, I'm going to just lay it upon her like a block. Yeah. What do girls find? What? You mean I talk? I'm looking at my book.
You need to structure them questions there, right? I did tell him from the beginning. Guys, you call it hairdresser yet? Look at this. My ear all pull up. Make sure so you don't call it Tam Lady, guys, because guess what? The Tams them really nice, I can tell you, and they were done with love.
What do you girls find attractive differently? What do girls find attractive different than looks?
Alright, me personally, I find personality very important, because it's not our person look physically on the outside, it is what's within. Because you can see a person, them look good, them dress good, them have money, but their personality or their morals are just that for going at the garbage stink. That is it for me. I'm a big person on personality. You feel me? So if my spirit enough, stop the that me talk now. Why you man do this and me I explain? That's distracting, right? Comment it down below if you need for stop do that in the video them, cause me I explain and him I do all of that.
Guys, me I tell you that she love me because I'm a personality and me I try
so
sign,
talk if you
can sign
talk.
language me can understand because she attack and she yo, you see it? When you compliment people, you see black people.
No,
so black people
him feel
man.
like a parliament this and him not do it right. As I said before, personality for me is important, because if our spirit just not work good together, it just not gonna work out. Not gonna work.
So our spirit work good together?
Yeah. Our spirit work good together. You just have a couple things you need to work on, and we're human. We both have things we need to work on.
So you try to expose me now.
Yeah, see? When him ask me the question, alright guys, just when him ask me a question, me not gonna answer if it not pertaining to the video. And comment down below if you believe me for do that. Yo.
Does stretch marks or scars matters in a guy?
Well, you have some males that look on stretch mark as a huge turn off, and I don't see why, because as females our body go through changes each and every month.
First when she breed.
Not only that, but each and every day.
And she put on weight too.
Can't take over.
Me just that's the way you know say. People, it's so me talk about me just say what she not say and she have vex. And she just earlier on she was saying she was just saying that why I'm not speaking. Because guys, I'm not signing properly.
Go back up in the video.
I know that I'm making my voice be heard. It's a problem. But don't like your style, Alia. Sorry for shouting in your ears. Hi guys.
This is it, guys. Raw and uncut king is very annoying at times. This is it.
EPIC epic. Next question.
Sure.
What makes girls sexually attractive?
Everybody feels sexy in different ways. Some persons feel sexy when they put on makeup, when their hair is combed, but for me it's just being me. Yeah, so, not pretending. As I said, guys, I am a huge person on personality, and if I cannot be myself, it doesn't make any sense. You feel what I say? Why am I going to come on here or be with somebody and have a fake? That don't make no sense. I am not living a double life. I am me.
But guys, I never knew that being sexy is being fake. You know, sometimes your woman
hold on, the guys.
You know,
hold
she
on.
spruce up the thing little. You know, put a little. Hey, guys. Me nah cut the questions when I ask her. I want to hold that thought and remember what she was going to say. But you ever watch them? You ever watch Silk Stocking? You remember the show there? You understand me? I say with the girl in the stocking. You ever watch them little? But they alright. Them late hour show there back in the days. But come on, 12 o'clock at night. Go spice in your life, man. This is Jamaica, man. Spice it up. Feel me?
Anyways, guys, next question.
She just a next me so. Alkaline big song. She don't stop next me. Next. Alright, baby. Next question. What are some things a guy think girls find attractive but is actually a turn off?
Alright, for me, guys, I can only speak for me. You understand? I can only speak for me. You know, like when you have money and you have things and you try push it on for me to say, yeah, I have this, I have this. I feel like you're bribing me.
Yeah.
Give me time gradually to see that you have things. Don't just care. Oh, I don't like that. No, I don't like it. I don't like nobody a push on anything.
So basically, no man can buy you then?
No.
You're not for sale?
Nope.
Alright, so put it in the next term, a next way. Break it down so some other people where not depend your level can understand what you just said.
Alright, guys. For instance, you meet somebody on a first date, right? You let them understand that, oh, I'm a very simple person, but yet still they're going to take you to this high prestige restaurant where you just feel very uncomfortable. Why would you do that? Why would you do that and the person tell you, oh, I'm a simple person? You're trying to show off, basically. That's it.
Next question, guys. If I had a wet dream in your bed beside you while sleeping, would you ever talk to me again?
That is normal. I know me I go wet up at you. So that, why not talk to you? Answer the question there, guys. I know me I go wet. It's you.
But remember, I have wet dream in the bed. Is the next girl me I dream about?
Guys, I don't know who or what is dreaming about, but whatever I'm a dream about, only way that going to affect me is if it come to reality. You feel me? Other than that, it can always a dream when I'm wet. I know
me dream when I drop the bed and when me go so I wake up, the bed wet up like my piece up. I want to feel it so it's sticky.
That is fine with me. You have to wash the sheets and stuff as long as it's not coming to reality. I don't have a problem with that. People dream all the time.
Suppose you say, Shensia, baby.
You say Shensia?
Suppose every night is a different woman name I call.
Guys, why not go on to the next question? You might try to get a reaction where him just now get your dream. That is fine. That's your dream.
Calling woman names in my dream is my dream. Alright, love. Alright. No problem.
What me say, guys? What me say? Me I go put you, me I go left you.
No problem.
That makes sense? I dream that.
Okay. Have you ever been cheated on?
No, if girls, that question there, what would girls do? So, how comes all of them questions start come now?
Yeah.
No.
This is like a personal now. You understand?
Guys, listen to me. You might try, me don't know why I try twist up or a try. You feel me? The question is, questions guys are afraid to ask girls. You feel me?
Just answer the question. Have you ever been cheated on?
Maybe and me don't know, because you know how uno man, uno stay.
Why it have to be with me, uno man?
You see, guys, men in general, sometimes they tend to be very persuasive and manipulative. You feel me? So then we say, oh, baby girl, you're the only person for me. Oh, you're the girl for me, the girl of my dreams. I've always been wanting you, praying for you. But yet still you have a whole wife for your yard, a whole family, or a whole marriage.
Has that ever happened to you before? Have you ever been in that position?
Guys, he has now work hard, something wrong with him. You hear what I specifically said? I don't know, because males are pathological liars.
Have you ever been lied to?
Well, heap of time people tell lie. Of course, I've been lied to.
Oh. After being lied to, how does it affect your future relationships?
Well, guys, alright, as I said, personality is important to me. So character and characteristics play a huge role on me. So if one of your characters is being a liar, then it not gonna work out, because the simplest set of things them you gonna tell lie about, and then that don't make no sense. I respect honesty. Whether or not it's gonna hurt my feelings, tell me before anybody else tell me, because you see the minute somebody else tell me,
epic.
I just not have no trust in a and it just not gonna work out.
Tell them, man.
Straight up.
Drink them blood like vampire. You never see girlfriend? Come no fool, pump up your face. I saw them fight. Yeah, you're dead. Alright. It's like, oh, you're going good so far, Ali. I'm proud of you, Ali. It's King and Ali, guys. It's all about us. Yeah? me rearrange the alphabet and put U and S together. So I don't know it's all about us. Talk to me, eh? Alright guys, so it's right now. I love on the day I want to take in the banger. I want to watch out the banger to the end. And if I'm going to reach us up, I want to subscribe. Team King&Ally. Or King&Ally. If I'm going to reach us up. Oh, my son, guys. Yeah, although she kind of depressed right now, but watch this now. Go cheer her up a bit. Cheer her up a bit.
I don't want
cheer
that.
her up a bit. Cheer her up a bit.
Guys, I really not.
Watch it. You see that? You see that? Go. You don't look good.
Guys, comment below and tell me, in every video we do, King is always telling me about my looks. You think I should do a part 2 because I don't know what you know. You tell me say my favorite grandma, pampas, fish.
Before she even go no further, guys. May I lie at Alia? Ali, may I lie at?
I don't know until I find out. How me I gonna know if you tell lie? Until I find out.
Every video me do you say me a liar than thief.
No, I didn't say you're a liar.
That's it.
Alright guys, give me a moment for talk, speak.
She verbatimly said that. In all the challenges, through me always I deal with that.
In all the videos.
Epic.
In all the videos I say he's always calling me names. That's what I said. And then with the challenges he's always thieving. And that is just mere facts because he always like to win, and in some situations.
See that? Or a cheap like gungo piece.
See that again?
Yeah guys. But let's have a nice, what am I gonna call the head now? What the head shape like, guys? So comment it down below. Tell me what my head shape like. Tell me what my head shape like. Comment it down below, guys. Cause the head shape good though. And support the Tom Lady Hairdresser. And remember, we have the epic video them come. As I tell you guys, we are trying to give you a video every night. So I want to subscribe, share out the video. Go over the chef channel, Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander, guys. Subscribe. And remember, we have some epic challenge to come.
Okay, guys. So without further ado, we just gonna leave you with a bang. Until next time.
Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.